Hey, it's Matthew Zivkovic back at it again. Today we are indexing the city pages from the CityPagePro plugin. And we're going to do that using Search Console. And you'll see here I just submitted, what is that, 6 sites or 6 pages from this pest control site that we built not too long ago. And we're going to try to force some of the indexing. Already a few pages didn't index and they're placing. But what we found was this template had all of these additional pages that Google was indexing. So we want to really just force Google to index these city pages. So you can take a look at them all right here. And it's pretty simple. Like we can do one right now together. So here's the website. It's a nice pest control template for this pest control company that services the Chicagoland area. There's probably about, you'll see here, here's the service area. It's about like 50 or 60 cities. But let's go ahead and let's index Addison. So we'll just go ahead and grab this link here. We'll go to our URL inspection tool. We'll hit enter. It's going to take a second. All right. And then it's going to say the URL is not on Google. We're going to request the indexing. And we're going to see in a couple seconds here that it has been submitted in the queue to be crawled. And then in most cases, about 2 or 3 days later, these pages should index. Some of them will place right out of the gate in terms of, for their keywords that they're optimized for. Others don't. So we're going to find out together. So I don't hide anything. I want to show exactly what I'm doing, what it's working in real time. Today is August 31st, 3 p.m. Central Time. Okay? Thanks so much. Check back in a couple days for my next video on the update, or go ahead and check Google yourself to see if these pages index. Thanks so much.